probably my favorite trick out of the entire WoW Magic Workshop. This is the one with the coins. This is the one where you show what looks like one dime, and you take your other hand and you come by like this, and it changes into 2 quarters. That's really, really cool. Now, the way this works is very, very simple. You take the 2 quarters, you put them one on top of the other, and you hold them like this, so that if the audience was to look at it, all they would see would be the 2 edges like this. And then the dime is held between the 2 fingers. And because the dime hides the view of the edges of the coins, this looks very fair. And you make sure your other fingers are held wide open so nobody thinks you're hiding anything in your hand. And then you hold your hand open like this, revealing this hand to be completely empty. And you cover the dime like this. And behind cover of this hand, what you're doing is sliding the dime behind the quarters and then separating them just like that. It's a really cool trick, a really pretty trick. Now I'm going to show you the same trick again, close up on the table. I'm going to show you the coin trick again, where we made 1 dime change into 50 cents. So once again, you start off with your quarters held between your thumb and your first finger like this, so that if you look at the edges, it would look just like all you're seeing is the edges of the coins. And you place the dime right in front of that, just like that, so you can see the quarters, you can see the dime. Only let your audience see this part. Only let them see the dime like this. Take your hand, and what you're doing under cover of the hand, you're sliding that dime behind one of the quarters, and separating your hand just like that. So I'll do that one more time for the camera. This is a really good one to do for your videos and stuff, because your friends don't have to handle the coins. It's totally safe, and it looks really good on camera. So you hold up your hands, cover that dime, and show the 2 quarters just like that. That is the coin trick. That is awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that coin trick. Now we're going to move on now to the dollar bill trick, the floating dollar bill trick that we did in the WoW Magic Workshop.